Kia nema mbaika sensemo ya Transmara ime kaunti ya Narok magega y'abakora imirimo babere kurwa se factory ya Mara kobwateranirwa ase ubi amatuko make aetire erigo kwanera igoro yenganeyo nigo nonye nabo emeroberio agendererete yo kubarigia babirabwo kurende omurikyo ito Brian Sagini Sena natara wikase kaunti yo ya Narok na watwaliganelio robotiro kubwatia ase nchira y'obwikirano
Umubasorero asama gace yeke wanda gya Transmara asaba ko yemeremo babere babwaterani gwaso mu basokano mu bene kiwobotsko bwajumane wikeye nego bona babwatani yakorwe byombe aho bakoragwa no munyakero go korigerero kwemurunganye kwa mangana y'ebintu bitwetana ine Gusii National Environmental Complaints Committee Patrick Lumumba Nyabeli aboreke wande ke kogayana na gukora okorige kwa baberabwo inse y'amatukatano na beregati yamagani andamange bunenchereye mu Tanga mewasokano buneyega matukale bosio.
On our part, we have sat and agreed that within 7 days they should make sure that the bodies are retrieved. We have also agreed that within 14 days they should be able to remove that avalanche of bagasse which moved towards the river, and they should be able within 14 days clear the river. So we have also agreed that within 6 months that bagasse should be removed so that we don't have another danger.
Omoteneneli Omara Sugar Company Frederick North Combes nigo boigo arotota na goteba emerubili yokubarige baberabwo nigo egendererete goikera bono na nigo chiamate cha baberabwo chirache konyora engere yabo gose compensation ekero baberabwo batokire.
Unfortunately, 2 of our employees are missing. We believe trapped in the bagasse, and we've put all our efforts to retrieve the bodies as soon as possible.
That the Mara sugar factory are seriously cooperating with the government to see that this issue has been fully resolved.
Kwenekia aya onsi, omokonyi bomo County Commissioner Transmara West Roger Socheng, nigo boiga babolia bonsi ko bano botere ruchinga kiechiga, abugase boiga tebe serikali ngo chiere kwenekia baberabo batokire.
To what we have agreed in the meeting, but we are requesting patience from the community to be patient with us as we carry out the rescue mission that is with us.
We have been informed that there are efforts to retrieve the 2 bodies, but we want to request the government to come in, and we have indicated that through the DCC to let the other arms of government to come and assist in the retrieval of the 2 individuals who are still buried under that bagasse.
Omwanchwa omurigereri maikagega no abantu aho banyara kubwaterani gwari tukoria jumanne bagendrete gasi yawe yakira rituko kurinde wekera boniga nigo emebere yabo etarato kamana togo kwana chinsa bunechiga kurinde nigo bone byombo bya serikali bigendeta wesokia ilikogendereri mu rubero yigabo kubariye baberabo ngo reporter ya Ndizi TV kurugega asense mu ya Transmara ase county ya Narok iretera ne Brian Sagini Isena.